Tired of paying full price for your Domino's pizza? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find working coupon codes so you can save some serious dough. First things first, let's hit up some popular online coupon websites. Head over to sites like Retailmonot, Couponscom, and Offerscom. These sites are treasure troves of deals and often have dedicated pages for Domino's with updated coupon codes. Once you're on these sites, type Domino's into their search bar, browse through the available coupons, and look for the ones that offer the best discounts for your order. Pay close attention to the expiration dates and any terms and conditions that might apply. Next, don't underestimate the power of your inbox. Sign up for Domino's email list. They frequently send out exclusive coupon codes and promotional offers directly to subscribers, and be sure to check your spam or promotions folder, just in case their emails end up there. Another great place to find discounts: social media. Follow Domino's on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. They often post limited-time offers and discounts specifically for their followers. Plus, sometimes they run contests or giveaways where you can win free pizza. Finally, before you place your order, always test the coupon code to make sure it's valid and applicable to your order. Try multiple codes to see which one gives you the best deal. Now go grab some seriously discounted deliciousness. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.